solving problems involving quadratic equations, problem number 2. A number is less, its reciprocal is 8/3. What is the number? So we're going to represent the number as x. X represents, let x represents the number. And then, since this is our number, x, according to our statement, a number is less its reciprocal. So x minus, that is for less, reciprocal of x is 1 over x. For the reciprocal, just have to recall that numerator and denominator interchange. So the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. So we have your x minus 1 over x, and then is 8/3. So that is equal to 8 over 3. Then we're going to look for the LCD. So this is our equation. So our LCD here is, look at the denominator. We have here x and 3. So that is our LCD, 3x. For the solution, copy again our equation. So x minus 1 over x equals 8/3. And then multiply both sides by the LCD, which is 3x. So 3x times x will give me 3x squared. 3x, again, multiply it on the second term. This is equal to minus 3x times 1, 3x over x, that is the denominator, I just copy that one, equals, multiply 3x by the numerator, 24x over 3. Next is, let's simplify some stuff here. 3x squared minus x over x. So I can eliminate this 2x. Give me negative 3 equals 24 on the right side. 24 over 3 will give me 8. So this is going to be 8x. Now, arrange it to standard form. This is going to be 3x squared minus 8x minus 3 equals 0. So this is by applying addition property of equality, we have now our standard form for our quadratic equation. So we could, I will write that here again. Just copy it again. 3x squared minus 8x minus 3 equals 0. Okay, now I'll be using factoring for this one. Again, when using factoring, make sure to multiply the value of a to the value of c. So a times c will give me negative 9. So get the factor of negative 9. That will give me, for example, negative 9 plus 1. Right? Negative 9 then 1. All right, to check if I got the correct factor, get the sum of negative 9 and 1. That will give me negative 8. All right, this is negative 8. The value of b is negative 8. So therefore, that will be our factor. So continuing, let's write below. Don't forget, before we write here, let's write here x, then x equals 0. After that, don't forget to divide these two factor by 3. Where did 3 came from? It came from here, from the value of a. After getting the factor here, remember to divide it by a. So you can just write the appropriate answer here. So this is going to be negative 3. And then the other one is 1/3. It's a fraction. So just copy that one, x minus 3. And then the other one is plus 1/3. So now, I'll be erasing my sketch. Let's erase this one since we got now our factors. Next, zero product property. This is going to be x equals 3. The other one is x equals negative 1/3. You could choose any value here since we're just looking for a number. So the number here is, so let's write our conclusion. Therefore, the number is 3 or negative 1/3.